So I'm going to discuss what is dominating set. Now let us take here an example. Suppose this is a graph and these are the vertices. So if we say that G is equal to V, E, this is the graph where V is the vertex set and E is the edge set. Now suppose we are taking a subset of the vertex set T, which is a proper subset of the vertex set. This is called dominating set if for every vertex not in D is adjacent to at least one member of D. So what does this mean? So if you take a subset of V in such a way, in the vertex set in such a way that other than that the vertices which are not in D, they will be adjacent to at least any vertex, at least any one member of D. So suppose we are taking an example. Suppose we are taking the vertices. Suppose this one A. Then suppose we are taking this one D. So if you take A and D, you can see that D is equal to A and D. Then you can see that the vertices which are not in this set are B, C, E and F. Now we can see B and C are adjacent to A and E and F are adjacent to D. So here you can say that A and D is the dominating set. Similarly, we can write down another example. Suppose A, E, F. This is the dominating set. Again, we can write down suppose B and D. So other than B and D, this set, you can see A, C. These two vertices are adjacent to B, but E and F are adjacent to D. So this is also a dominating set. Again, CD. So these are the example of dominating set. So now you can see that this BD, this is the smallest dominating set. This is the smallest dominating set. Why is it smallest dominating set? Because you cannot set a dominating set with only one vertex from this graph. So with taking two vertices set, this will be smallest dominating set, and the number of vertices in their sets will be the size of the dominating set. Like this, for this set size is 2, for this set size is 3. Now there is a very important relation, this dominating set with independent set. Now let me tell you what is independent set. Independent set. Now as by the definition we know that independent set is the set of vertices where no two sets are adjacent. That means no two vertices in the set are adjacent. So from here you can easily see that C and D D, this could be a independent set. Independent set, because here no two these vertices are adjacent. But B and D, this is not a independent set. This is not a independent set. Now you can see that this CD is the maximum independent set also. Maximum independent set also, because with this set you cannot add any other vertices from this vertex set. If you add any other vertices, then that would be adjacent to any of the vertices of this set. Okay, so you can write down in other way also. Suppose A, D, not D, A, E, F. This is also a independent set. This is also a independent set, and which is also maximum independent set, because AEF, this is a set. You cannot add any other vertices from the set V to this set, and then independence criteria would not be there if you add any other vertices on this set. So you can check out of this one and this one, this is the minimum of maximum independent set. Now here is the observation. Here also the number of elements in the set, in the independent set, is called the size of the independent set. So here is the thing, for dominating set, this one was the minimum dominating set, and you can say, suppose G is the graph, suppose I of G is the size of minimum dominating set, so this is equal to 2. This is the size of minimum dominating set, size I of G is equal to 2. Now here also you can see that size of maximum independent set is also 2. So you can say here that I of G, this is equal to also the size of minimum maximum independent set. Okay, so this is the main observation, but you can check that maybe that if this is the minimum dominating set, maybe this set is not independent. You can see that this is not independent set, but the size will be same to the size of the independent set from the same graph. Okay, so this is the very most important observation from a graph in between dominating set, relation in between dominating set and independent set.